Please join again. I am going to record the meeting. So good morning everyone. Hope you people are able to see it. Yesterday we discussed how to insert tables in our document, and today our topic is how to print whatever document we have typed. So if you want a hard copy, we have to take a printout. For that, any document we will be having a print option, but the thing is that laptop or that PC personal computer should be connected with a printer. If you are not having a printer, even though if you are giving print option, we cannot print any document. So make sure you are having a printer. So where this print command will be in file, print. Okay, see here there are different options present. Here Microsoft printer, see in this printer option, if our computer or our laptop, if we are having more printers, suppose if it is a Xerox shop or something like that, or if suppose if it is a or a school, okay, we'll be having many computers, sorry, many printers, 2 or 3 printers if we are having, we can choose. See here, we can, the printer name we will get here and we can choose. Since I don't have any printer in my house, I am not having any printer. Okay, so this is how you are going to take the printer. And next, see here, settings, print all pages. If you don't want to print all pages, what you can do is you can enter the number of the page here. Okay, you can enter the number of page whichever you want. Suppose if you are having 250 pages and you want page number 149, go to this pages and click on that 149. You will get only 149 page. Okay, and next one more is here. See here, only print odd pages, only print even pages. If you are having a book to take print out and you want back to back and ఒకదాని వెనకాల ఒకటి రావాలి అంటే what you can do is first you can print odd pages and then you can print even pages. Okay, so first all the odd number pages will be printed and then back to it all even page numbers will be printed. And next see here, print one-sided and manually print on both sides. Some printers will be there where it will automatically take both sides. For example, in our school we are having Brother, okay, Brother DCP 250, that it will take automatically both sides. We don't need to change the paper, but we are having some other printers as well, like Canon and all. In that we need to change the paper. We have to keep the back side of the page, then only it will take. It will not take automatically. And next, see here, collated. Collated means merging many pages into one. Okay, so 1 2 3 there example it is given. So all the pages in that document like 1 2 3 it will be coming in one page itself. Next, orientation means whether you want to print horizontally or vertically, it will give. And next, select the size of the paper. If you are giving legal size, then you have to click on legal size paper. If you for office purposes, letterheads and all, usually we will use this letter. And next, A4. A4 is for normal purpose, and all these executive statement A5 B4 B5, all this will be used for office purpose. Okay, and mostly if there are any designs and all, then you can go for A5 and all. B5 B4, all these are for art purpose. And next, normal margins, so you can set the margins also. Okay, see I'm clicking it and it is changing. Okay, and next, this is page per sheet. Suppose, let me complete and then you can ask me. Suppose you want side by side. Okay, suppose you want side by side. Now you are getting one page. In one page you want page number 1 and page number 2. Then you can use this page per sheet. Okay, See here, this is 2 pages per sheet. If you observe the picture, you will get, even you can get 4 pages per sheet also. This is how you are going to print. Okay. So the shortcut for after setting all these things, then you can click on this option print, and copies are also available here. Copies, see here, copy 1, copy 2. How many ever copies you want, you can just click it and it will be, the default copies option is 1. Okay. And even here also settings, when you are printing, if you don't want all pages, make sure that you give the number for the page which you want. Else what happens? All pages will be printed. Okay. And the shortcut for print option is Control plus P. Okay. And in your textbook, if you are having textbook, page number 216, page number 216, for paste option, they have given the shortcut as Control plus V. That is a mistake, Nana. Please change to Control plus V. Don't read as it is. Okay. I'm not presenting anything, Nana. I think now you got it back. Now you got it or not? Yeah, right. Okay. So you understood what I told? Control plus P is given in your textbook. Please change that to Control plus V. Control plus P is only option for print. See here, I am typing Control plus P. Directly it will take to print command option. See here, I didn't go for file tab and I didn't select print option. Directly it went. Okay. And if you are using some 2003 or 2007, even you will be having print preview also, where you can check how it is, how you are going to get it. Okay. See here, preview. You can change the orientation. You can select the paper here also and layout. This is page setup. Okay. And there will be print more options. There also you can go and you can check. And see, suppose if you are not having a PDF document in your computer or a laptop, even though you can make it, go to printer options and select convert into PDF option. See here, Microsoft Print to PDF. So without any software, you can directly change to PDF. That's how I'm giving your notes to you people. If you just click on print PDF option, the document will be changed from Word to PDF. What is PDF? Where we can't make any changes. If you are giving in Word, we can make any changes. But if you are making PDF means, then you can't make any changes inside that. Okay. It cannot be edited. Once if you are making a paper into PDF, you can't edit it. So now, doubts. Ram Nikhil, shoot the question.
Sir.
Yes, ma, shoot the question.
Sir, you told that we can change the page borders, no, sir? Means we can keep stars or trees. Like that we can print the paper, sir. Means
Yes,
by
you
keeping
can
that.
print. Yes, it will come.
Okay, sir.
Even border, if you are setting before to the paper, definitely you will get. See, I will set some borders for you people. Go to page border. If you want any art, just select it. I clicked OK. Now see Control plus P. I am clicking. Have you seen? Even the border, whatever you are giving, you are going to get. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any more doubts in print?
Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You said in one page, 3 pages will print, no, sir?
Yes, ma'am. That is collision.
Sir, letters will decrease, sir?
Yes, obviously the font size will be decreased.
Okay,
If you are going for multiple pages in one paper, obviously your font size will be decreased. You can't get a big font size like how we are seeing now, that you can't get. Automatically the font size will be decreased. Okay, anyone else? So before going to mail match, if there are any doubts, let me know. So I'm going to stop recording.